So let's get brutally honest for a second. You could be doing acrobatics in bed, wearing that lace set you bought on impulse at 1 a.m., and he might still walk away thinking, that was nice. Meanwhile, another woman could do something simple, almost unnoticeable, and suddenly, boom, she's the woman he thinks about weeks later while driving alone with music blasting and emotions he doesn't know how to process. So what actually makes sex unforgettable for a man? Hint: it's not just about performance, it's about psychology, emotion, and a few secret switches in his brain that, when flipped, make him feel like he just experienced something rare. And today, I'm revealing 7 things men secretly love in bed that most women never even think about. Stick around till the end because number 3 alone, it's so subtle even he doesn't realize it's what hooks him emotionally. Why understanding this matters? Here's the truth: men don't bond the same way women do. While physical connection is important, emotional imprinting happens when multiple psychological triggers hit all at once. Attention, ego validation, vulnerability, safety, and desire. And when that happens, he won't just say, wow, that was fun. He'll say nothing because his brain is malfunctioning. He'll lay there in awe thinking, what just happened to me? And that's what makes sex unforgettable, because in a world full of hookups, he doesn't remember everyone he slept with, but he always remembers the one who made him feel something. Ready to find out what that actually takes? Let's dive in. 1. Verbal affirmation. Talk to him. No, this isn't about moaning like you're in a bad movie. This is about using words that feed his ego, make him feel masculine, capable, and most importantly, desired. A man doesn't just want to perform. He wants to feel like he's winning at something important. And your words during intimacy, they're the scoreboard. Phrases like, you feel so good. I love it when you do that. You drive me crazy. These aren't just sentences. They're dopamine hits straight to his emotional brain. Most guys won't admit it, but he craves feedback, especially when it feels real. When you tell him what you love, he associates that moment with success, pleasure, and you. And boom, he starts chasing the feeling and the woman who gave it to him. Ew, unscripted enthusiasm. Be into it. Want to know one of the biggest turn-ons for men? Not the act, not the outfit, not even you. It's how much you're enjoying it, or at least how much you seem to. Men are highly responsive to your enthusiasm. It tells him that you're present, that you're attracted to him, and that he's doing something right. The best part? You don't need a plan. This isn't about performing enthusiasm. It's about letting go of overthinking. When he sees your unfiltered pleasure, your laughs, your gasps, your playful teasing, he feels like you're not just doing it with him, you're doing it for yourself. And that's hot, because when he feels like he's unlocking a part of you, something raw and unedited, that's when he goes from, that was fun, to, that was her. Furry. Eye contact that lasts. Okay, ready for one that makes men low-key emotional even if they won't admit it? Eye contact. Yep. That simple, awkward little thing we avoid on first dates suddenly becomes magic when used right in bed. Why? Because sustained eye contact during intimacy is intensely vulnerable. It tells him you're not afraid to be seen. You're letting him see you, and you're seeing him in return. Now, most guys aren't used to this. They're used to physical connection with emotional distance. So when you lock eyes with him at the right moment and hold it just a second longer than expected, it hits different. It creates an intimacy that burns into his memory. It's the moment he'll replay later when he's alone. Not the whole scene, just your eyes, that stare, that silent message that said, I'm here, I'm with you, I want this. He may not know why, but he'll remember that moment forever. 4. Taking control, even just a little. Okay, here's something you might not expect. Men love it when you take the lead, even the alpha, dominant, in control types, especially them. Why? Because men are conditioned to always initiate, always perform, always carry the pressure. So when you grab the wheel, even just for a moment, it's shockingly hot. It sends a powerful message. You turn me on so much, I can't help myself. That kind of energy, unforgettable. You don't have to become a dominatrix overnight. Just shift the power play a little. Kiss him first, pin his wrists gently, whisper what you want next. This flips a subconscious switch. She's not just enjoying this, she's craving me. That's a memory he'll carry forever because it's not just desire. It's validation, ego boost, and surrender all in one. 5. Emotional presence, not just physical. Here's a plot twist most people don't talk about. Men aren't turned off by emotional depth during sex. They're starved for it. We live in a hookup culture. Swipe, repeat. But when a woman brings emotional presence into bed, it changes the whole chemistry. What does that mean? It means you're not rushing, you're fully there, you're connected, breathing together, feeling every second. When you slow down, hold him close, and just exist in that shared moment, no distractions, no expectations, it creates a bond that most men rarely experience. It's intimacy beyond the act. He'll walk away from that kind of experience feeling something he can't describe, something that'll make every other experience feel mechanical in comparison. That's the moment he realizes this wasn't just sex, this was something more. 6. Teasing and anticipation. Want to drive him absolutely insane in the best way? Make him wait, just a little. Men love buildup. They might pretend they want to get to the point, but teasing, that's how you hijack his brain. When you tease, physically, verbally, or emotionally, you trigger something psychologists call delayed gratification. And when it finally happens, his brain lights up like a firework factory. So, drag out foreplay. Touch, but don't give in. Whisper what you want, and then pull away. This isn't playing games, it's creating tension and reward. Men love feeling like they're chasing something exciting. Teasing builds that craving, and once the tension snaps, the release becomes epic. Unforgettable sex isn't always about doing more, it's about doing less, but better. 7. Unfiltered you. Here's the ultimate mic drop moment. The most unforgettable sex happens when you stop performing. No fake moans, no worrying about your hair, no sucking in your stomach like you're posing for Instagram. Just you, present, playful, confident, messy, maybe a little awkward, but real. Why? Because vulnerability is magnetic, and when you show up unapologetically, it gives him permission to drop his mask too. When he sees you enjoying yourself, not trying to impress, but actually just feeling, laughing, loving the moment, it leaves a mark on him. He won't remember every move, but he'll remember that this was the first time someone let go with him. No script, no expectations, just two people fully present having a human, passionate, beautifully flawed experience. That's what he'll think about weeks later. That's what he'll crave again. That's what he'll compare every other moment to. Why it's not about being the best. Let's kill this myth right now. Men don't remember the best sex, they remember the most emotionally powerful sex. It's not about perfect moves, perfect bodies, or adult film choreography. It's about how you made him feel. And when he feels seen, wanted, connected, desired, and emotionally safe, that's the kind of sex that brands itself into his memory. So don't try to be the best, be the most real. Because real leaves a scar, and in love, that's a good thing.